Greetings, everyone. We are being asked by those that are applying, particularly for a spouse visa or who have South African partners, um, asking us about a notary agreement. They ask us to draft for them a notary agreement or how it is drafted. We thought it's important that we explain this so that we all have a basic understanding so that we do the right thing. I've been researching on this because, as I always say, that we do not want to give you misleading information. So it says the notarial cohabitation contract is a formal agreement entered into by a South African citizen or a holder of permanent resident and a foreign partner. That's what a notarial cohabitation contract is. The agreement setting out the details of the parties' rights and privileges in terms of their relationship is drafted and notarized by a South African notary. The parties must also appear and sign the agreement in the presence of the notary public. And then the question that we are then asked is, what is a notary public? A notary public is an attorney admitted and authorized by the High Court of South Africa to witness signatures, draw and attest contracts and statements. So it's someone that is an attorney. So you can not just come to Comrade Mabena to say, Mabena, write me a notary agreement, or how should I draft a notary agreement. So it's clear you need a notary officer or a notary public to assist you in drawing up the agreement. If you need agreement, that agreement, as some comrades are asking us. A notary public is a public official appointed, as I've already said, by is an attorney of the High Court, appointed by the High Court. And so if you want a notary agreement to be drafted for you, it's important that you get a lawyer or an attorney to assist you to draft that. We do work with the lawyers ourselves. We can assist you. We will engage them to assist you, but it cannot just be drawn up by any person. So we thought it's important that we clarify this. And then the other question is one comrade was asking on how they can get their document notarized in South Africa. It says the original documents must be taken to a South African notary public and must be signed or copied in his or her presence. The notary will then attach an authentication certificate to the signed document or copy, which will include the notary signature, stamp, and the seal. So I hope that this then would assist comrades that need this notary agreement. The other question that were to respond to was a notary, a court official says a notary public is an attorney, as I've already said, admitted and authorized by the High Court of South Africa to witness signatures. So please approach a lawyer to assist you to draft a notary agreement so that you do not have challenges when you are applying for a spouse visa. I'm not saying it's for everyone who's applying for a spouse visa, but if you have been asked to produce a notary agreement or a notary contract, you then need to approach a lawyer. If you are struggling to get a lawyer, we can assist ourselves. We work with lawyers that can assist you. Otherwise, please keep your questions coming and the comments coming so that we are able to assist you. We have dealt with the application for a general work visa. We dealt with an application for a spouse visa. So we hope that comrades will not have challenges. Let me just read this one question or comment which is not related to what we are discussing. It says, good day, sir. Thank you for informing us. Your info is very much helpful. I finished applying and paid online using a credit card and I got my appointment date, but I do not have proof of payment. How do I go about that, as I can't have it on paper, but the application shows that I have paid. If you paid through using your credit card, I'm sure you can produce some proof of payment. That's the proof that you can take to VFS if it is not reflecting that you have paid. Because certainly there must be a proof that you have paid. Then they are going to assist you at the VFS offices. You go to the inquiry section. Otherwise, please keep your questions coming. We'll do our best to research and assist you. Like this video, circulate. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, press that button. Please press the button written follow. You just press that button follow, and then you will not miss anything. Otherwise, have a good day. Goodbye.